Hello everyone, and welcome back to day number 3 of learning Lord, I Need You. So today, no step-by-step instructions. We did those in the first 2 videos. Today we're going to walk through this song just a little slower than the music will have us signing tomorrow. I apologize in advance. Sometimes I get a little excited and speed up, but I'm gonna try my best. Remember that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you haven't printed them already, the lyrics are available in the description. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Also, if you find my signing is just a little too fast or a little too slow, remember you can alter the speed in YouTube. Technology is a great thing. Okay, here we go. Lord, I come. I confess, bowing here, I find my rest. Without you, I fall apart. You're the one who guides my heart. In the chorus, Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. Okay, now we're going to move on to verse 2. Where sin runs deep, your grace is more. Where grace is found is where you are. Where you are, Lord, I am free. Holiness is Christ in me. And back to that chorus. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. And then moving on to that bridge. So teach my song to rise to you when temptation comes my way. And when I can't stand, I'll pull on you. Remember, we're saying I'm going to hang on to you. Jesus, you're my hope and stay. And it goes one last time back to the chorus, and then it repeats a little. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. Sorry, I was going to sign Lord there, but then it said God. And then it was a couple extra lines. It repeats the second half of the chorus twice. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. One more time. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. Practice this as many times as you would like. And when you're ready, I'll see you in that next video, the final video. We're going to sign with the music. Bye. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. I pray that his face would shine upon you and that he would be gracious to you. I pray a blessed day for you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.